I got are these pretty ones. My mystery box. Alright, I'm going to show you my mystery box haul. I wasn't going to order anything. I'm not really, I really shouldn't have ordered anything. But yeah, it was an impulse buy. So anyway, so I got, spread you out here. There we go. So I got 2 skeins of these, and it is Malchette, and it's a number 5, and it's very pretty. So I got 2 skeins of those. I got a cake of comfy cotton, and this is chai latte and number 3, and I love comfy cotton. It is very nice to work with. And I got, it's a wrap, and this makes beautiful shawls. It's a number 1 weight, and the color is Thriller. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And then I got a few of these. This is called Worsted Bamboo Cotton Yarn, premium quality. And I can't find the color on here, but they are super pretty, and it's very soft. Very, very soft. Very pretty. So I got those. Then I got this Scrubology. It's orange. This makes good sponges or cloth, you know, stuff for your face. And this is just orange. And I got 2 of these, I believe 2. And this is Almadine, and it's Red Heart Super Saver and these purplish stripes, and that's so pretty. I got some of this Burnette Blanket. It's so soft. It's a number 6, and you can make amigurumis with these. And this one is called Sailor's Delight. It's the number 6, like I said. It is so pretty, and it's very soft. Got some purple, or it's Orchard Red Heart Super Saver, and I'm not a fan of the Super Saver, but the ones I've been getting have been soft, so those will make something nice. And we got some Caron Simply Soft and yellow. And this is another one, Caron Simply Soft and Sport and soft yellow. So isn't that pretty? They're both pretty. You can use both those. So pretty. Let's see. And then we got something from Hobie, and this is rainbow. Very nice, and it's rainbow cotton. Very nice. All right, so the next thing I got was this here, and this is Hobie, and just has a lot number But these are cotton, and natural cotton, 100%. So these will make something pretty. And then I got some ice yarns that are got two of them, and those are really pretty. It's soft acrylic, it says, and I can use that at Christmas time. So pretty. And then I got this Premier Home cotton, number 4. I love that too. All right, everyone, that is my mystery box haul and my AliExpress. All right, thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.